Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn the simple email marketing tool you need for your business. So this tool is Selzy. It is a simple email marketing tool for small and medium-sized businesses, lighting fast 24/7 expert support even on the free plan. So from list growth to segmentation, automation, A/B testing, and analytics, Selzy covers it all. So let's get started. The very first thing that we should do is we have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar, we just have to type out Selzy. Okay, so let me just type out right here Selzy, and then you'll be able to see this first website. So you just have to click on this one. After that, we'll be redirected to this page. So what we are going to do now is to sign up for an account. So everything you need for email driven growth. So we have your easy start features, advanced features, and personal assistance. So before we sign up for an account, we are going to talk about the pricing first. So when you go to the pricing section, as you can see right here, they have a free plan. So you can try their service and decide later. And if you are to select the build monthly, as you can see, the price increases. But don't worry because the free plan is still there. So you don't have to worry because Selzy allows you to test the Selzy features before considering an upgrade to a paid plan for expanded capabilities. So what we're going to do here now is to log in or sign up for an account so we can continue with Google or type out right here our email. So I'm just going to connect it with my Google account. So here we just have to type out our name, phone number, industry, and company rule. After that, just click on continue. And here, how do you want to start? So you can send email campaigns or import contacts now or go to your dashboard. So we are going to click on go to dashboard. And as you can see right here, this is now our dashboard. And here we can create a campaign or import contacts. So with the free plan, you can send up to 1,500 emails per month and manage up to 100 unique contacts. So what we are going to do now is to create a campaign using a template. So just click on the create a campaign option. Okay, so this one, and it be redirected to another page. Okay, so just click on this plus icon, and right here you'd be able to see the available template. Okay, so you have here the template that you can use, and of course we have here the category for the templates. For example, we are sending email for Valentine's Day, default to empty, or you can also start from scratch. So for example, I'm going to try this template, so just click on it and click on the use option. And from there, you can now start customizing this template. So of course, you have to type out right here your own text. You can add your own blocks and elements. And of course, if you want to change the image, you just have to click on it. Okay, so for example, we would like to customize this image. You just have to click on it, and then at the right side of our screen, you'll be able to see this pencil icon, so you can click on it. And from there, you can now filter this image, resize, crop. You can draw here, you can add text, you can add shapes, stickers, and more. So customizing templates is as easy as dragging and dropping elements. So you can create stunning branded emails in minutes with intuitive tools and seamless navigation. Designing your dream email has never been easier. Okay, so after finalizing your email, you will then just have to click on the continue option at the top right of your screen, or you can save this template. Okay, so when you clicked on continue, you'd be redirected now to the select subject and sender phase. So here you just have to type out your subject. You can also add here a pre-header, and then you just have to type out right here your email and then the sender name, and then just click on continue after that. Now for the recipients, you'll be able to see here the list of your contacts. So you just have to click on that specific contact, and then if you don't have a contact yet, just click on the import contact option, and then here you will then just have to add your contact. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you just have to upload a file, and then you'll be able to import now your contact and then use that contact to send your email. Okay, so after finalizing your email, so we can now review and finish this template. So what we're going to do now is to go to the email schedule. So here, if we want to edit the recipient, we can click on the edit option, and if we want to send this email now or later, we can click on this option right here. So for the send later option, we can select here the exact date and the time. So I'm just going to send this email now. Okay, so the next thing that you should do here is to go back at the top right of our screen and then just have to click on the send campaign option. So I'm going to send a test email for this one. So I'm just going to type out right here my email. And next, you just have to click on the send a test email option. Now going back to our dashboard, as you can see right here, when you clicked on the campaigns option, we'd be able to see here the history, the emails, the A/B test, our templates, and the Telegram option. So now what we're going to do is to create a campaign from scratch. So just click on the create campaign option and click on the start from scratch. So here, Selzy's drag and drop builder takes the hassle out of the email design, letting you create a professional campaigns with just a few clicks. So here, let's try to add this image, and then we are going to upload here now our own image, and then we can also use stock photos. So for example, we are going to search for exercise, so you'd be able to see here now the different photos that we can use for this email. So for example, we are going to use this one. Just click on it, and as you can see, so we have now an image that we can use for this campaign. So rearranging the elements is smooth and intuitive, so you can experiment freely without worrying about technical glitches. It's the ultimate tool for anyone looking to save time and still achieve the stunning results. So let's try to add the text right here. So just have to drag and drop it right there. And then what you're going to do next now is to type out here your text or your description. And you can add more blocks and elements. So basically, Selzy is a game changer for small to medium sized businesses, especially with its free plan, so which offers powerful tools at no cost. It is easy to use. Drag and drop builders allows anyone to design professional, branded emails in minutes, so no technical skills required. Whether you're just starting or looking to scale your email marketing, Selzy provides everything you need. So from customizable templates and automation to detailed analytics to grow your audience and engage effectively. Plus, with 24/7 expert support included, even on the free plan. So you can feel confident tackling any challenge. For businesses seeking simplicity, efficiency, and impact, Selzy is the perfect solution. So whether you're a small business owner who just starting with email marketing, Selzy easy-to-use tools and powerful features can help you take your campaigns to the next level, even on the pre-plan. So do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful, and let me know what you think of Selzy, or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.